I've been with the School of Business at BCIT for over 20 years now, and I teach finance courses, specifically corporate finance, managerial finance, and capital management, and securities. Over the past year, I had the opportunity to accept 2 fellowship positions with 2 think tanks, the Macdonald-Laurier Institute, the Montreal Economic Institute, and having these respected think tanks publish my policy work has allowed me to reach a national audience of business leaders, politicians, and civil servants. The topics I choose must be important to Canadians. They must impact Canadians in their everyday life. And the reports I write, I make sure that they're actionable, they're practical, it's actual policies that can be implemented. Now I can share the work I do in the classroom with my students, and it gives them a much better perspective on some important economic issues Canadians face. Recently, my policy work consisted of looking at subsidies that governments offer for the purchase of electric vehicles as a way of reducing carbon emissions. And another report I recently published looked at the unintended consequences of the central bank keeping interest rates very low for extended periods of time. I'm passionate about the work I do because I enjoy writing on economic policy issues. And I hope that in some very small way, I can contribute towards sound economic policy for our country. BCIT School of Business has many instructors with some very unique and deep skill sets. And I would encourage my colleagues to think creatively how they can use their industry expertise to benefit the wider community.